Hi, I'm Ron, and we're going to have some fun with some easy chords today. In the key of C, the C scale is C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, all white notes. And each of those notes has a chord associated with it. The first note, well, you form these chords by playing every other note in that C scale. So the first one starts on C, and then every other note, that's your first chord. Your second chord starts on D, and it's every other note. Happens to be a D minor. Your third chord starts on E. Every other note, E minor. F, G, A minor, B diminished, and C again. So each scale, chords, is formed by every other note in the scale. Now if we were doing chords in the scale of G, which happens to have one sharp in it, it starts on G, has an F sharp in it, we'd have to play that F sharp when we get to those chords. Every other note, chord starting on G. So when you get to that F, you have to play that F sharp because that's in the scale. Let's go back to C. We're going to do a couple of things today. We're going to play a couple of songs based on the C, F, and G chords and a variation of the C, F, and G chords. So let's find those. C chord, C, E, G. And the F chord happens to be the 4 chord, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, the 4th note of the scale. And that's every other white note. And then the G is the 5 chord, which is every other white note starting on G. So we're going to play C, F, and G. But first let's just play C and F. So C chord, F chord. C chord, F chord. For your melody you can play any white note, or black notes if you like, but the white notes fit in nicely with those chords. So C and F. C, F, C, F. Any melody. C and F. Now we're going to play G. F. Back to G. Back to C. Notice with the right hand I'm just playing any note, or any two notes actually. C chord, F chord, G chord, F chord, F, you can play those chords in any order you like. You can play a couple of G's and F's like this. Let's try this. Play a C and a G and an F. And you can play that in your right hand too. So C, G, F. Yep, a little bit of the Who song, Baba O'Reilly. Or Heart and Soul is simple chords. C, A minor, D minor, and G. So it goes C, A minor, or Blue Moon is the same 4 chords. C, A minor, okay, let's try a variation of those 3 chords. This is kind of nice. C, and then instead of going up to here to play an F, we're going to play it in a different inversion. We're going to play it these 2 notes with a C down here. So C, F, A. And then we're going to play, still hold the C, and we're going to play G and B with it. Just like that. Keep the C down always. So C, E, G, C, F, A, C, B, G. And you can play a song on top of that too. that's it. Just have some fun with those easy chords, and I'll see you next time. Thank you.